1.
Isn't it your birthday this month, Ted?
Hey, it was a month ago.
Oh, sorry. I forgot all about it. So did you have a big party or something?
No, I had to study because of the exams at school.
2.
Have you had your birthday yet, Jill?
No, it's in 2 months.
Oh, that's right. So what are you planning to do this time?
I'm going to New York with my mom and dad.
Hey, fabulous.
3.
Have you had your birthday yet, Sue?
No, it's not till next month. Don't forget this time.
Don't worry, I won't.
I'm planning to have a barbecue.
Great! That sounds fun.
4.
Is your birthday this month or next month, Brian? I can't remember.
Oh, it was a month ago.
Really? So how was it?
It was okay, but very quiet. I had a family party at home.
Oh, that sounds nice.